Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the latest tech to help you make the best buying decisions. Today, we're looking at the Amcrest NV4108E-A2, widely regarded as one of the best Poe DVRs on the market. If you're serious about home security, this 8-channel, 4K NVR offers everything you need to monitor and manage your property with ease. The Amcrest NV4108E-A2 is a network video recorder that supports up to 8 high-definition IP cameras, offering resolutions up to 8 megapixels or 4K. This means you can capture every detail of your surroundings in crystal clear, ultra-high-definition quality. Whether you're monitoring your home or business, this NVR ensures that you're always able to see what's going on in real time, recording at 30 frames per second for smooth, uninterrupted video playback. One of the key features of this model is its Power over Ethernet, or POE technology, which makes it incredibly easy to set up. With POE, each camera only requires a single Ethernet cable for both power and data transmission. This minimizes the number of cables you need to run and ensures a cleaner, more efficient installation process. You can connect up to 8 cameras, making it perfect for homes or small to medium-sized businesses. Another highlight of the Amcrest NV4108E-A2 is its use of H.265 compression technology. This advanced compression algorithm allows you to save on storage space, which means you can store more footage for a longer period without sacrificing video quality. This is especially important if you're looking for a system that offers both high performance and efficiency. And with its maximum incoming bandwidth of 80 megabits per second, it can easily handle the demands of multiple high-definition streams simultaneously. The system is designed to support up to 10 terabytes of hard drive storage, but note that the hard drive is not included, so you'll need to purchase that separately. Whether you're storing footage from a few days or several weeks, the NV4108E-A2's large storage capacity ensures you'll have ample space to capture everything. And when it comes time to back up your footage, the built-in USB backup feature offers peace of mind, letting you store your recordings on an external drive. The NV4108E-A2 also integrates well with Amcrest's own range of wired and Wi-Fi IP cameras, providing a seamless experience. Plus, it supports AI features from eye-capable cameras, such as facial recognition or person detection, depending on the camera model. However, note that the NVR itself doesn't have built-in AI capabilities. It relies on compatible AI cameras to unlock those features. Still, it's a flexible and scalable system that grows with your needs. In terms of connectivity, this NVR has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to manage your cameras. You can view live footage from all cameras simultaneously and even search through recordings with pinpoint accuracy, thanks to its intelligent search function. This is great for quickly locating key moments like motion detection events. Whether you're viewing footage on your PC or mobile device, the NV4108E-A2 ensures you have full control over your security system, wherever you are. Finally, Amcrest backs this product with a full year of warranty, and its systems are CE and FCC certified, ensuring they meet the highest standards of quality and safety. If you're looking for a reliable, high-quality NVR to enhance your home or business security setup, the Amcrest NV4108E-A2 is one of the best Poe DVR solutions out there. That wraps up our review of the Amcrest NV4108E-A2. Be sure to check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews from Product Critique. Thanks for watching.